Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about who viewed your featured collection on Facebook. So guys, if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. So let's go straight to what we have for today. Tap on the three dots at the right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile picture. So for you to be able to know who viewed your future collection, the steps are very easy. Tap on the plus icon if you want to add a new collection. You can tap on the plus icon in order to add the new collection. But if you want to know who viewed the number of people that viewed your featured collection, you want to know how many people that visit your collection, tap on the particular collection you wish to know. You will see where they write 130 viewers on my own now. The number of viewers, you can just tap on it. So now look at the number of people that viewed my collection. So you can tap on refresh in order to see more of them, because already you have been told that there are 98 viewers. So when you tap on next, you see more of them. It says share your updates. The next update, your friends are lovely are loving your updates. Show another stories and keep connecting. So these special connections connect you to your friends and give them insights more about you. So guys, that is it on how to see who viewed your future collection on Facebook. If this video was helpful, do well to tap on the subscription button and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.